this content, Nasega, Maggot Eckhart, it is not possible to find out the way of. So at the time, Maggot is object of the Eckhart, but so would be nominated kit, you see. So because of that, so the way cannot be pointed out. As a passive sense can be understood. So sometimes that Eckhart though is using in the active sense. At the time when the accusative is Megan Eckhart though. So that means there will be subject. So he cannot find out the way, for example, so Megan. So Eckhart do not support it. So in this way, so that you cannot find out the way, so just active sense. So based on the context, and there's commonly such a past party infinitive in the passive sense, using as a impersonal mood without subject. It is not possible to be pointed out, or the way is not possible to be pointed out. So if there's no subject there, maybe that object can be nominated case here. See? But here, in this example, so McGann with the accusative case. So such a different part can be found. So that is why the sometimes such a infinitive form so even though active form, but passive sense also can be understood for that infinitive. So we don't have a passive way, we don't have a way to form as a passive, but the meaning can be understood. And also, commonly that such a infinitive form ending in the do, so can be used to without such a verb. So do, arabadi, do, support, do, hd, do, also arti. So arabadi start to do. So gado, arabadi start to do. Gado, support, even to do. Gado, hd, wish to do. The gado also had to try to do like that. So commonly with these verbs can be found. And also, number 3. So we can find with the verb dadadi or lavadi. So at the time, the meaning of the dadadi is root da, reduplicated as a da, and then just be case. But the dadadi is used to without the infinitive form. So Gandon dadadi. So at the time, literally it means so he gives to go. So something means so that is why some scholars idea the dadadi in this content chance to go, or he gives allowance to go, he gives permission to go. So somewhat can be understood between them. So would be the dadi. So opposite with that one, the bab labadi. Me obtain or gets. Also, Gando labadi. So literally he obtains to go. So as some scholars say that, so here liberty is as a passive sense, he is allowed. Or the other way as an active sense, he obtained. But the word should be understood, a chance or permission. So he obtained a chance or he obtained permission to go. So in this way, the meaning possible to understand. So with the verb, the dadi or the badi, such as especially you say with the infinitive. And then so next point. So even though such a pattern, the infinitive form can be found in the already, second D, HD, also had D, and then the dadi, labadi. And also, with these verb also can be understood, yotedi or yoto, past participle or the yotedi, or the verb to be with the D. So is or possible or proper or suitable. So can be found that. So at that time, so that construction means so the verb with the D simply to be fit or to proper or to be suitable. In that sense also can be understood. So here in the example, so ita dani maya wasito with the D. So here actually subject you see but maya. So to live here, or maybe it is possible, or it is fit, or it is suitable for me to live here. So in this way also can be understood. So ita dani maya wasito wadati. So it is possible to me to live here. So in this way can be understood. And also, here without using the subject impersonally, also can be found that with the such a with the D or yokdo. So dan harido with the D. Dan harido with the D. So it is the best to kill him, or it is the best to take him. So it is proper to kill him, to take him in this way. So sometimes without using the subject, just we refers to the action. So then harido with the D. So can be found in the Pali Canon. So to Ewon potato nayoten. It speak that. So in this way, without using subject impersonally. So just do the action that is should be done or should not be done by that. So that is why with the verb what the D or maybe the other one, yokjeti or yokdo, the word yokdo. The meaning of that is so to fit or to be fit or to be proper. Even though that would be sometimes with a door, sometimes without door, but the same meaning. And then sometimes yoke and so the meaning of that structure it is fit to. So fit to do or so it is fit to go, it is possible, proper to go so in this way. Such a sentence structure can be understood with the infinitive verb. And then next, so in Pali, the rusak, we know that to be able. But that rusak with the iya, so if we use the got, it can be double. So it should be set iya, but we don't use that form. So instead of using, we use the utna. So at that time, sekuneya. So that is common form or regular form. But that area has the ya form. Reducing this e, maybe dropping that one in half, becoming around ya form. So with that, rusa and the ya. So kaya became the kaka. So we have the seka, like the siya. So ruas and the ya. So it is inserted. We have the siya form. But if we don't, it is inserted, saya becomes the sasa, a becomes short. We have the asa form also. So you hear also rusak also, we have the setback form. So the remedy of that one would be able to that is literal meaning. But later, that setback can be used without using the subject, so setback or something. That one, so that is why later that one considered as an indeclining. So at the time, the meaning of that also as the possible. The declinable part, yeah? So possible or suitable, but in the negative sense, not set. Impossible. So that set are also commonly found with the such an infinitive form. Don't set or do not set. So possible to do or impossible to do like that. And also similar to that one, So we have the rule la. Rule la to obtain. So with the form. So baya become the bar. So we have the left bar. So that left bar also considered as the indeclining. So because the meaning is not in the sense of will be obtained or will obtain, the meaning is change as it possible. Or with the negative like the so not sector or not left. Impossible. That one also can be found with the infinitive form. So for those here, so in your handout also already. So the word lever, the word sector, possible or allowable, or maybe able also with the infinitive. So sector, hodi, metunan, daman, padi siwito. So sector, hodi, metunan, daman, padi siwito. But actually, so that one maybe as a question also can be understood because the word sector at the very beginning. So it is possible to practice such a sexual intercourse, metunandama, medisi wito. So sector, medisi wito. It is possible to practice. And also, it doesn't maintain not sector vasito, negative sense, not sector vasito. It is impossible to live in this place or to live here. So nasecta, vasito. So to here left bar also. Sorry, typo. So Eden not left bar even garden. So Eden is actually the ordinary garden. So it is not possible to do with in this way ill. It is not possible to do it that or in this way. So here not left bar garden also can be found there. And also even though all the grammarian as well as the Sanskrit grammarian they so deny that the so the what do and the what those what But so this dome would be what gamma. So gamma is a noun form of the root gamma, to which so even though the other place not found as a compounded word, but with this one especially can be found by the gamma. So by dropping this link here, gamma. So commonly we can find like the ando, so HFD. So he wishes to go. But with the gamma, so we don't have the essay back home, we have the gamma or gamma, like the DCD, DCRD. So we don't have such a form. So for example, candle, gamma D, candle, gamma D. So instead, we find with the HFD, candle HFD. But in compound word, so noun form of the that gamma D or gamma D, we have the gamma. So at that time, as a compounded word, we can find. So candle, gamma. One who wishes to go. Or wishing to go. So in this way, then so do gamma, can do gamma, can do gamma. So with the word gamma, repeatedly can be found. So with the that infinitive form. But in other, no. With the other, the compounded member, that do form cannot be. Okay, so here in the last example, so the meaning of the gamma is willing or desirous or wishing is compounded with the infinitive. And also that the ending negative of the that, so candle, gado or something are dropped. So diwadaya parigana, kari to gamma. So wishing to make an offering to the gods. So diwadaya, diwadane. So parigana, so kari to gamma. Make an offering. So down parigan operation. So that one can be found repeatedly. So do gamma, can do gamma, pari do gamma, and so. Okay, so now we finish the usage of the that infinitive. Now let's go to the next item. So next item is a gerund. So connect with that gerund here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. Briefly. So connecting with the gerund or the absolute. So actually two sentences can be understood. This subject, this part is with the gerund. And this part is with the main verb. ida agandawa. Maybe just was set it as a short sentence. So actually that gerund verb, so in Pali commonly we use the so boba kala. Kala can be understood the so kiri or kariya, the action. Instead of saying time, boba kiriya. So two actions, two lines when we join. So when we join as a single sentence, so the first action or formal action will be spelled with the gerund or with the verb. So then in reverse way we can understand. So if we separate these two lines, we can understand. So ida agachati. And then so ida wasati. So two lines joined as a single one. So now when we consider so the actor coming and the actor staying, which action is past? So coming action is past, action of coming is past. So that is when that one will be with the gerund. So that means that gerund can be understood as a main verb. So one sentence. So if we understand that idea, so when we read the whole or maybe very long paragraph in the Pali Canon or maybe in the commentaries, to understand that sentence simply, we can divide one gerund, phrase by phrase. And so those gerund are replaced with the verb. So we will have two short sentences. So easy to understand that one. Okay. So that is here. Gerund structure can be understood. That is, joining two lines, two sentences. The first gerund is one sentence, and maybe is one sentence. At least in this way can be understood. So ida agachati, he comes here. So ida was a D, he lives here. And then when we join together, so similar word, we omit it. And then the past part, instead of saying so ida agachati ja was a D ja, we say instead of agachati, we use the agandawa. So ida agandawa was a D. So that way is when we read the whole such a long paragraph or long sentence, so that one can be useful to us to understand. Okay, that is the past idea connected with that. So policy. So that is here. To denote the action complete before another. So can be spelled with the gerund. So that is why such a verb can be understood as a verb and he comes here and stay. So ida agandawa was a D. He comes here and stay. And also, such a gerund we can find with the, after the gerund, the A1. agandawa, ewa, like that. So at that time, not simply, Baf and agandawa, ewa, me. So as soon as he comes here and stay, not within the time or something this way. So here in the example, so A wa because of unique combination sandy, A is drop, so ganda wawa. So downward and then so the wawa. Downward and then so the wawa. As soon as he heard this word, and he go back, or something like that. So the meaning here, Jaran. Commonly, Jaran so the wa mean here and or hard and. So can be understood. So in diploma we have already learned. So the meaning of the Jaran. So for example, Gandawa. Having gone or after going, and then goes in. So three ways we have to understand that such a Gandawa. But so when we translate goes and that one depend on main verb. So that main verb is can be so present, past, and then future. So if the main verb is present, we can translate as it goes and past at the time went in. And the future we will go in. So depending on the main verb type, main verb tense, so the one we can change. Goes and went and will go in. So that is simple translation or simple. But that Gandawa, so finding with the Ewa, using with the Ewa. So by dropping. So Gandawa. So as soon as after going or immediately he goes. As soon as he goes and so in this other time maybe the pathway cannot be. As soon as having gone not possible. So commonly after the as soon as. Or immediately also possible. Immediately after going or immediately having gone. So as soon as he goes and so that sense. That is the meaning of the Ewa. So can be understood. So that is here. So downward and then so the wawa. If we don't use Ewa, downward and then so the wa. So having heard these words or after hearing these words or so hear these words and like that. But because of after the general when we see the Ewa, so as soon as we heard these words or immediately after hearing these words, so in this way can be understood. Not just as soon as they said, as soon as or immediately also. So to in the next example, so wanero adeno book and this wawa. So the man came as soon as he saw his offspring. Adeno book and this wawa. So the meaning of this wawa. So as soon as he saw his offspring. size what? A1. And then now next. So after the gerund, when we see the a bit means so even, literally the meaning of even or also. So basically content. But after the gerund, when we use that a bit by dropping r because of Euclid combination, so and our b. So at that time, the sense of that gerund so can be understood although or even though or even if. Although he hear the words, or although he goes there, so he doesn't meet his friend or something like that. So the sense of although, the sense of even though can be understood with the, after the general when we see the lower. So here example. So the particle a b coming after the gerund. So maybe translated all these. So academic overlaw. So check out with the region that the word b. Check out with the region that the word b. So academic overlaw and recommend. So check out with the region that the word b. So even or although he is given that the rulership of the universal monarch, universal, so rulership, kingship, that he is not, he cannot be satisfied. So here, so that the word be, although he is given, so he is conferred, so the universal royalty, so is conferred to him, but he is not satisfied. He cannot be satisfied and grateful one. So here you see, after the word gerund form, so the sense of although can be, although he be given. So that is why the meaning of the iwa, the meaning of a be. So in the dictionary, when you find the meaning of iwa is just or merely or something like that. But after the general way you find, the meaning can be understood in this way. So to a be or the also or even, but after the gerund, so together with the be can be understood all to sense. And then next, number 4. So that gerund, so for example, Gandawa, having gone or after going or goes and as a positive sense, as a statement can be understood. But for the negative sense, so that Dua also cannot be included in the compounded word. That would be negative na become the Akatawa or Agandawa. So at that time, commonly, instead of saying having not gone or after not going or something like that, without going, simply, without doing, without eating, such a net. So without after the gerund now form, or without going, without eating, without writing, without reading, without listening. So in this way, so such a this art is negative art, coming from the na, secondary form of the na, but with the gerund on to up. So in this way it can be. So let's see in the example. So before in gerund, that art can be translated as a without. So babinjan agadawa, without making delays, or without any delays also. Babinjan agadawa, babinjan means delaying, extending time or something. So literally, without making delay or making not delay, not making delay, but the sense of that one can be understood as the art, without. So without making delays, without any delays. So too, it can be a kilometer without having even 1%. So kilometer